I will show you now how to connect the solenoid valve to the every station. We have a two station here, so we assemble first the for the station one. This one is called the union cap. You must connect it to the inlet of the solenoid valve. You will see here there is an arrow that showing that this is one is the inlet of the solenoid. And then we have here, this one is a male adapter. You have to connect it to the inlet of the solenoid valve outlet. Then you have to connect it to the ball valve. And the other side is to connect to the sprinkler station. This one is for the station 2. All done. This is one is the example of how to install a solenoid valve to the outlet.